It's the shortest war in recorded history, and it lasted less than an episode of your favorite show. The year, 1896. The place, Zanzibar, a small island off the coast of East Africa. The Sultan of Zanzibar had died, and Britain, eager to control the region, didn't like his chosen successor, so the British gave an ultimatum: step down or we'll go to war. The Sultan refused. He barricaded himself in the palace, raised his flag, and prepared to fight. At 9:02 a.m., British ships in the harbor opened fire. By 9:40 a.m., the palace was in ruins. 500 men were dead or wounded, and the Sultan had fled through a back door. War over. 38 minutes. Zanzibar became a British protectorate, and the Sultan who tried to defy them was exiled. Shortest war ever. Like and subscribe for more strange and explosive stories from history